On most cars with electronic parking brakes, in order to replace the brake pads, you need to set them in a maintenance mode. So let's walk through how we would do that with this Volkswagen. So since the Apollo has a wireless scan module, we can do this from the back of the car. To do this, we're also going to go and use the service resets and relearns function. Now what that does is it takes any of the jobs on the vehicle, resets, relearns, recalibrations, and then sorts them out by job. So in this case, we want to do replace disc brake pads. It's going to give us some parts replacement information, any TSBs if applicable. In this case, we don't have any, and then the functional resets and calibrations. When we click on that, what it's going to do is it's going to query the modules. It's going to find any resets that apply to this job. Okay, it's gone through all the modules and came back with the rear brake pad replacement procedure. It's going to initialize communication. Okay, so it's going to say the function allows replacement of the rear disc brake pads. Please ensure that the ignition is on throughout the procedure with a suitable charger or support unit attached. Now I already have a battery maintainer attached here. Also says, also ensure that the park brake is in the off condition before continuing, because if the parking brake is on, it won't allow the calipers to retract and the test will fail. Hit continue. It's also going to double check for you that you verify that you have in fact disengaged the parking brake. I know I have, so we'll hit continue again. Then we have three options. We have open calipers for pad replacement, closed calipers after pad replacement, and test caliper functionality. So if we were going to replace the pads on this, we just hit open calipers for pad replacement first. It'll cycle through, and then it says the calipers are now open. Continue with pad replacement. Be aware you will still manually need to push back the pistons, so that means it retracted the electronic actuator, but you still do need to physically push the pistons in. Continue from here when the pad replacement is complete. Test is over, goes back to our main screen. We would then do our brake job, replace the pads as needed, and then we'd need to go to close calipers after pad replacement. Okay, it's going to then close the calipers. It functions them open and close a couple times just to kind of home in on where the zero position is. We'll hit continue to complete, and the test is over. Now also, we could just test the caliper functionality. If we did have a problem with the caliper or suspected we had a problem with the caliper, we could just do a self-test on it, so we'll do that real quick. Test complete. So as you can see, the fact that the Apollo is wireless, we can do this at the back at the caliper itself, and then also with the service resets and relearns menu, we can get a quick access to that function by itself.